Hey guys, thanks for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. Okay, if you go to, let's say, Google or any search engine, put in "is LiveGood viral" and see what pops up. So, this is the power of video and the power of just posting a lot. I really like LiveGood. I definitely have kind of a smarty pants sense of humor, and I just I don't know what. Every day I get up, I'm like, what am I going to post? Should I be serious? Should I do a how-to video, or should I just be myself and be a smarty pants and post something kind of wacky? So I just posted in, "Is Live Good viral?" And look what popped up. Me. I don't even remember making this video. I've made a couple thousand since March, and it's November right now, but I love that. Look at that. Those are great looking high heels. Live Good. We're viral in heels. I don't even remember. It must be tired. Like if you ever watch my videos and if I'm wandering all over the place and rambling on, it's usually after a long day and I'm just tired. I should probably just hang up the webcam or the cell phone and just, go to bed, so to speak. But I love it. I like the cover. I think those shoes are definitely, they look expensive or they look dangerous. Man, there's like, look at the studs on that. I've always been told if girls have red, what are those? Are those the bottoms? I don't know what you'd call that, the heel part, but are they Jimmy Choos? Am I saying that right, ladies? All right. So anyway, is Live Good viral? In my opinion, probably. I don't think you're going to get like a virus. I'm not sure you're going to have to wear a mask if you start working Live Good on your home computer or buying the products. I know I sure feel good. I even have my Live Good hat on, which is nice. I usually do videos with not the proper hats. I always put everyone else's hat on except for all the Live Good. I bought every Live Good color. half the, well, not more than half the time. Almost every time I forget to wear a Live Good hat. So gosh darn it, I might not have my Live Good shirt on, but I do have one of my, is this the dark one? Yeah, the dark blue, or I don't know what color this looks like on the webcam. Uh, you know, Being viral, it usually means, okay, everyone is searching for something. In a particular video, it might be funny, it could be horrific, it could catch something live on camera like a robbery or a tidal wave. But when it goes viral, that usually means thousands upon thousands watch that video, and then it gets up into the millions. And hopefully whoever owns that video has it monetized, or they can maybe, I don't know if they want fame or fortune from that video. Seems like a lot of videos, they just accidentally go viral. And if everyone knew how to sell a course, and I know there's plenty on there, because I guess that's why I put "is Live Good viral," and then my video popped up, which cracked me up. If you could really predict how a video goes viral, you'd probably be a billionaire like Mr. Beast. Okay, when you kind of look at the most successful, let's say the top 10 or the top 25 highest paid people on YouTube, there's a reason. They're producing a lot of really good content. If it's not daily, it's probably at least 3-4 times a week, and it's funny, compelling, crazy. It benefits people who watch those videos or vice versa. But if you try to copy what they do, it never seems to work. If you get some ideas off those viral videos, I think that is worth doing, because you can do that for free. Now, obviously, if you got one or two or $500 laying around, there's a ton of courses out there. There's probably a million courses on how to go viral. And that person selling that course probably hopes that their course goes viral so they can make a whole bunch of money about making a video, how they sold videos, how to go viral. And after their video went viral, they're probably on a beach with a Lamborghini and a laptop, living that laptop lifestyle that we all hear about. So I being viral, it is awesome. I've had a couple videos. They were truck driving videos, and one of my videos has 3 or 4 million views, and another one has, I think, 2 million, 3 million, and it really paid pretty darn good because I had my channels monetized. Do I hold my breath every day and just go, oh, I got to go viral or I'm not going to be successful and live good? I don't. I still believe, turn on your webcam, turn on your cell phone, and if you think you're bad at it, that's okay. because most people, they probably won't even form an opinion. They just want to know, what's LiveGood? Okay, I see the logo on your hat. Okay, is there a link below the video? Okay, workwithcory.com, joincory.com. I try to get real simple domain names. I've owned these names forever. And if I can be compelling in a video like this, or on an email, or maybe social media post like Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, then all I can do is just kind of wait and see if somebody pre-enrolls in LiveGood, where they actually watch a video, they put their name and email address in. That's what I'm hoping you guys do if you're watching my video now. And then if they, if somebody does want to upgrade and be an affiliate, it's only $40 one time. Okay. And that's cool. I get $25. I mean, on the breakdown, if you want to go to livegood.com or just go to the links below this video, the comp plan is fully explained. And to make $25 real quick, it's like buying me lunch or dinner. All right, I love that. I love breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I like to have breakfast for dinner. Are you guys like that too? I'll take a scrambled egg and massive sausage and bacon. I know it's all bad for you, but gosh darn it, somehow I've lived almost 60 years by eating breakfast, probably incorrectly, especially lots of cereal with sugar, sugar, sugar. I don't know how many Cocoa Pebbles I've eaten over the years, but probably about 14,000 boxes, because Cocoa Pebble boxes are like this big. For some reason, Cocoa Pebbles is like $20 a box, and it's one of the smallest boxes on the cereal aisle. But anyway, to go viral, that's awesome. I hope that everybody that does make a video or a post, it does go viral. I just thought it was funny because I was just typing, just looking at LiveGood. I just want to see the stats, what's popping up if I type in LiveGood. Is there the fake scam videos? Are there other, is there legit people who do reviews, talk about LiveGood? Have they joined for $10 a month? I just want to see what the streets are saying. And when I typed in viral, I just thought it was funny. Pair of high. I mean, I want to join LiveGood just because it looks pretty hot. It's like, well, God, are those the people? Are those two girls? Are they signing up? And in 2023, I mean, that could be two NFL football guys. I just don't know unless the video goes higher and higher. But yeah, those are some pretty badass shoes. And I still have no idea why I would put "we're viral" in high heels. I'm going to have to watch this video. For some reason, it's 11 minutes of why we're viral in high heels. And I'm not cross-dressing right now. I actually wear like slippers. Whenever I'm in a commercial building like this, I like to put on comfy shoes, and I'll put on slippers, like those $7 to $10 ones that are super cheap. Like, can you guys see? That's what I wear a size 14, so I have to buy size 13 slippers. And look, they match my hat. And these are cheap. They have like the rubber soles. They're super comfortable, and they're like $7 at Walmart. I hate to promote Walmart, but if LiveGood comes up with LiveGood slippers at wholesale, then I'm going to wear some LiveGood slippers too. So, all right. I just wanted to say that LiveGood, I think we're doing a pretty good job of being viral, because a lot of people are joining. We have almost 850,000 people that have come aboard paying $10. And when you type in LiveGood, a lot of good things pop up, including how do you make money at home? How do you make money on your computer? How do you buy health and nutrition products for wholesale? Man, LiveGood pops up, even if you're in high heels or not. And maybe you want some $7 slippers. I recommend it. If you're comfy and you're doing video, you're pretty successful already. I think you've kind of won half that battle. So, all right, guys. Go below the video, and I've got two links, joincory.com, workwithcory.com. I want you to watch both. This is how I get people to sign up and make money and duplicate what I do. I want to make it simple and fun. It's only $49.95, and that's it. That's it. No more, no less. Okay? All right, get a hold of me, especially if you want to join this bad boy company. Okay? Have a good day. I'm going to go put on some high heels. I'll see you guys soon.